Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to Crypto Spaces. Billionaires, we are back with another video for you guys. Bitcoin crossing over $100,000, ETH making a nice little move, and that is helping out the altcoins make a move as well, guys. Bells right now making a move up. I told you guys, hey, let's buy that dip, right? If you bought that 20 cents dip, you're already up in some profits, guys. But even if you're getting into Bells right now, you're still way ahead of the rest of the masses. You're still super early to this project, man. Bells at 24 cents is a steal. Anything under $4 is a steal, because I think Bells will go to like $20, $30, $50, or even $100 in the future. So right now, market cap is around $14.6 million in market cap. 753k in 24-hour trade volume. As you could see, 24-hour trade volume is making a move up as well. Soon we'll be averaging around $1 to $3 million in trade volume for Bells every 24 hours, as we see more and more people take notice, as their awareness for the project grows. So right now we're sitting nicely. We're starting to climb back up again. And again, like I told you guys, you know, I think the previous videos, let's see the market cap. The previous videos I said $1,200, $1,300 is all you need for Bells, right? Because I know it's tough for people out there financially. A lot of people don't have money like that. That's why you get into crypto. So you could take $1,000 and potentially turn it to $30,000, $50,000, $100,000, even $1 million in the future, as you progress in this space and as you become better, right? And Bells is one of those projects that's a kingmaker in my opinion, right? Let's see right now, let's round it off. $1,500 in Bells, it's 6,200 Bells, right? 6,200 Bells. Bells goes to $1 billion market cap, which is my conservative target for Bells. I really think it's gonna hit $1 billion, 2, 3, 4, even 5 billion, anywhere in that range for Bells, right? Again, why do I say this? It's the first coin created by the Dogecoin founder. Without Bells, there's no Dogecoin. He had to fork Bells to make Dogecoin, right? So $1,500 gets you 6,200 Bells, and then at $1 billion market cap, that's $100,000, guys. That's a ton of gains in my opinion, right? And you don't have to overinvest. And obviously, you could take profits at any point, go and make it on the way to that move, right? So at 500 mil market cap, I think Bells would be around $5 to $6. You have 6,200 Bells. It gets to I think it's around $5 for 500 mil market cap. Or is that $10? No, I think that's $10. My apologies. So 500 mil market cap is $10. That's $62,000, right? And if it gets to, I think 200 or 250 mil market cap, 6,200, 250 mil market cap to be conservative, right? That is around $5, somewhere around there. That's $31,000 in profit at 250 mil market cap. Now let's take a look at the max, right? Because the previous all-time high was 100 mil market cap. I truly believe Bells will make a new all-time high. I don't think I'm crazy to say Bells will make a new all-time high. So if it went to 100 mil market cap in the past, it goes to 200, 3 to 4, 500 mil market cap in the future. $1,500 invested now could be $30,000, $60,000, $100,000, even $200,000 to $300,000 in the future, right? As the project keeps growing. And if you take a look at the overall max chart for Bells, you could see like it's doing great compared to other altcoins. Like it came out, obviously they launched, and then we had pullbacks and the miners dumping on us constantly for Bells. Now that they finally had the final epoch, the final halving, 90% reduction in emissions, right? There's not much more miners to dump on the price anymore. And you see from CoinGecko could track the market cap. It went sideways, made a move up, went sideways, exploded, right? Pulled back, but never came back down to these lows right here. It never came back down to these lows. And now it looks, as you can see, if you look at the max chart, you zoom out, it looks like it's getting ready to explode like it did back here in July 19th, 2024. It looks like it's getting ready to explode again, as you can see, right? And I think that's going to happen. from Animal Crossing Bells coin, Fugazi Bells. Just a quick reminder, August 5th, 2024, Bells got to 23 cent. August 25th, 2024, Bells got to 180. This occurred during Epoch 3 when miners were receiving substantially large block rewards. We are now in the final epoch, 2 bells per block set in stone. Just a heads up. And I'm telling you guys, that is massive, right? Because remember, it made a move to 100 mil market cap with miners, you know, dumping the price and selling for massive profits. Now we don't have to worry about the miners because of the final epoch. But this is the thing. The miners, in my opinion, will still want to be profitable, right? So who's to say the miners the miners that do step in now, they mine bells with Dogecoin, the Litecoin, to make a little bit extra profit, right? Merge mine, and they hold their bells this time to you know, see bells price rise. So when they do take profits, it's only because they're finally in profit, right? When they do take profits, it's because they finally get profits. So like bells gets to like $10-20, and that's when you see miners start to sell. Just like with Bitcoin, you know, miners mine during the bear markets, right? They accumulate. The hash rate increases. Same thing is gonna happen for bells. The hash rate just skyrockets, and it's only when the price gets to a massive level, that's when you see the miners start to take profits. Plus now it's not as much sell pressure, right? So Remy, do you understand bells? Bells coin real, but volume is looking great on bells today. I'm telling you, the volume right now is so minuscule compared to other coins. Like when we get to 2 to 3 mil volume for bells, it's gonna be a great time. From Just Send It, bells will see billions, and I agree with that. From Bell's Chain, Bell's coin is great for mainstream adoption. It's going to bring so many new people into crypto, Bell Toshi. Plus it's fun and it has the best memes. I love the Bells community. Now, in my opinion, again, we could have way more awareness for bells, but I love the community. I love what is formed. We have decentralized builders. We have, you know, what you're looking right here for this person's profile picture. This is a NFT or Bellino project built on bells, right? And the mere fact that there's value here outside of just, oh, it's a meme coin, right? There's things you could do on bells, right? That is a great thing, in my opinion. So good morning, Bells community supply shop building. It's a meme worthy of billions. Lovely day ahead for the billionaires, and I agree, right? From Dirty Randy, all of the Bells coin halvings are completed. Now the chain is still alive and thriving at 30 mil market cap. This is a historical and based achievement for the community. Lots of things still on the horizon for Bells coin, including the Updog upgrade. Stay bellish, Bells. Updog upgrade. I know about Opcat. I know about Opcat. I don't know about this upgrade. So, you know, if you're in the comment section, fill me in. But that sounds great. And that's the thing. With each, you know, advancement into like proof of work chains for the chain to be better, Bells will also have those advancements. So any advancements for Dogecoin or Litecoin, Bells could also have that same advancement because it is a script proof of work chain. But again, it's nice to see that we're climbing up in Bells, right? So if you bought the dip, congrats. We'll go. This is just the start. So even if you get in now, you're still hella early, like I'm telling you, right? So guys, thank y'all so much for tuning in. Please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. If you want to support the channel further, donate to my Bells wallet in the description, and I'll catch you in the next one.